Okay, welcome back for the Friday directions. Today's assignment is called Reality Check Reflection. Let's take a look at it. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the MCIS site that we've been using the past few days. Scroll over assessments. You'll see something called Reality Check. I'll show it to you. And basically just ask you a bunch of questions about where you want to live, what kind of living arrangement you want to have. Just kind of basically, I'll just kind of show it through you real quick. It's you hover over assessments once you logged in. Go down to Reality Check. Click on that, and then start your reality check. So what it does is it basically asks you a bunch of questions like where you want to live. Um, it asks you all these different questions as you can see up top here. And as you kind of start answering the questions, it's going to tell you basically how much money it's going to cost you basically per month to live. And then obviously you take that number and you compare it to your occupation and you see how the salary stacks up. Maybe for some people, their job is even close to as high paying as they need or they want if they're going to live a certain way. Maybe vice versa. Maybe your job pays way more than what you kind of want your life to look like. So that's basically what you're answering. After you complete the assessment, just basically compare, again, how your career salary measures up to what type of living style or what type of living arrangement you're looking for. So that's easy. For your fraction, you can write down, different, if you want to, you can touch on, for each category, what did you select? Maybe would be a good way to do that. And this is going to be actually on Monday when I start giving you guys the directions for your career paper. This is one of the paragraphs of your paper. So make sure if you do a good enough job in this assignment, you can just basically copy and paste it into your paper later on next week. So go through it. Make sure your response is 5 to 7 sentences. And once you've done that, you've done the job for today. So have a good one, people, and I will see you guys on Monday.